guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to try to do something random, and I'm going to try to match hi I'm gonna try to match my makeup with my shirt. So I feel like that's fun, right? We haven't did a video like that before, and it kind of showcases my little artistry a little, even though I did that when I did the 12 days of Christmas. And if you didn't see it, please look at my shorts. I have so many different videos there, so many different styles of makeup that I do, and I would love for you to look at those and tell me what you think. What are you doing, girl? Anyway, so this shirt has purple, teal, blue, lime green, and orange, right? I think those are the main colors. Purple. Let me see if I have those colors in my base, my Louise base. I have this. So this is teal. Yeah, this goes with like this color down here. So we could do that. I'm missing a lot of these anyway. So I see lime green, which is not quite this lime green, but we can work with it. We have this color, which is like a little close to the purple. The MAC Studio Moisture Cream and the YSL Primer. Let's get these brows done. I'm going to use my Kosas brow pencil in the color black brown. Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. We got our brows done. What I'm going to do is prep my lids. So what you want to do when you want to prep your lids, you want to put concealer or any kind of eyeshadow base. You want to put on your eyes, on your eyelids, so that we can prep to put the colors on top. I actually should have used a lighter color. I'm gonna mix these. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige to do this, and this is the shade Butterscotch. But you don't have to do that step because I'm still gonna put a shadow base on top of that, and I'm gonna use blank canvas. But I just wanna block out my natural lid color first, and then add on top the eyeshadow base, so that the eyeshadow base doesn't pick up on my color, but it picks up on the concealer color, which is a little lighter than me. So then we'll have a true base to work with. And you definitely don't have to do all of this. This is just what makes sense in my mind when I do it. Just to blink out my eye and then add the eyeshadow base on top. You can definitely just go ahead and add your eyeshadow base first, or just do the lighter concealers like I'm doing right now and leave it like that. But if you're my shade or darker, you definitely want to make sure you prep your eyelid for using light colors, because a lot of these eyeshadows don't show up on our skin tone the same way that it shows up in the pan. So that's why we put the lighter concealers first and then the colors on top. So you just want to get a setting powder that is light or white to set the concealer. Even though I'm putting the other base on top, what am I doing? Even though I put the other base on top, I still set the concealer in between, just so it doesn't move around. And I don't use like a whole bunch of powder, I just use a little. And now I'm gonna do my blank canvas, and I'm not gonna put that like above my crease. It's really gonna just stay inside of my eye. And I'm just gonna grab this brush that I got from Michael's, and it's just gonna go right here. I'm sorry about the noise in the back. My wife works from home, so that's her on the phone. I really don't understand why the walls are so thin here, because she's in a whole different area. That's how that looks. And then I'm just gonna set that with the same powder that we set the other one with before. This one, and then this one. And this is on a Morphe M441. I think I'm gonna do half this color, and then the inside corner I'm gonna take with this Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush, and this is the the JH40. I'm gonna take that yellow color and I'm gonna put that in the inside. Yeah. I'm just gonna blend these two into each other. I'm probably gonna take a darker color in the inside later, because it's just too light for me. Alright, I know I for sure want to take a darker color. So like the color that's like mixed in between right here. So that is this color right up here. It's darker brown. I'm just gonna put that right in here. Add a little razzle dazzle. Alright, so what I did was just put the eyeshadow base. I carved out my eye and left the ends open. darker color on the outside for a gradient effect. And then I'm gonna put, I don't know why it's showing up red. It's pissing me off that it's doing that actually. And then we're gonna do the orange on top. This Morphe 166 brush in like a bone tone eyeshadow color. But I'm happy the way that looks right now. So now we're gonna move on to these little paint pots right here. We're gonna use these as eyeliner. For the top, I'm gonna do, let's see if we can make that purple, because I think I want that at the end. So I'm gonna use this acid rain. This color is called Raver. And I'm gonna put it on this little petri dish that's dirty. Oh look, that's not too far off from this purple, right? Like it's not too crazy. I'm gonna take Raver and blend it up with like a drop, because that's literally the same thing. Like, yeah, it's nothing crazy. I'm just take a dot of this. So this is what we got so far. I think I'm gonna do it one more time. This is the closest I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna mix no more. So here we go. I'm gonna use this green in the inner corner and this teal. So this green, this teal into that purple. That's Rewhite, Limelight, and then our custom color right here. Foundation, we're gonna use Makeup by Mario, and I'm gonna turn my fan on because it's freaking hot in here. I'm gonna do Makeup by Mario in the shade 230. Butterscotch and Golden Beige. Rare Beauty Concealer, 520. The Viral Juvia's Place Barbie Rose. for. One size powder and sweet honey. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the shade 4. Juvia's Place blush. Current lip liner. What is this? Night Moth. Night Moth. Night Moth lip liner. With Remedy by Ari Pink Matter. Actually, not even Pink Matter. So instead of a Pink Matter, we're gonna do Viral. I'm gonna leave whatever I have on